show on the road.
We have our loyal discard people.
Yeah. Good
Our
morning,
loyal
pure structure traders and YouTube, for another morning market analysis with us. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. I will be giving you some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels for you guys, and then we'll go over gold and oil for you guys. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. Excuse the voice. I think I'm getting a little bit sick. Sorry about that, but let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500 for me, I got resistance here at 46.2650. So this is the area that I'm looking for the short to come back down. Support for me is going to come around 46.14, and then below that 46.0875. Below that level is going to be 46.75, and then 46.93, and above these 46.2650s, resistance for me next is 46.44. So we'll see what happens as the market moves around here. I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels on her chart.
Okie dokie, and we've got them. So let me share my screen here and show you. So what I do in the morning is I mark my two bottom supports, and then I start the peaks to follow it up. Peak number one is right here, 46.0250. You can see how the market tried to resist that area to bring it down, but then you've got this beautiful little wick candle for it to carry on up. So that's beautiful, peak number one. These white ones have not been used yet, so that's why they are a different color. So you've got your peak here, no support here. You've got your peak here, no support here. Your other peak is at 46.14, and it has been used. Didn't come right down to the tip, but that's good enough. That's close enough right here and here, especially with that candle. And now you have this peak here at 46.1950. Let me explain this, because for those of you who are afraid to enter a trade 3 times in an area, I had to. I entered here. Why wouldn't I, right? Nice clean bounce, but stubborn me wanted it here. So I didn't get any money on that. I got break even. This was trickery right here. I entered again right here, thinking, wanting it to go up here. It didn't. Stop me out. Then I saw this jewel. This is strong support for the bulls to hold this area, because they know if they don't, it's going down. They're going to lose their stop losses and everything else along with it. So this is where I entered and finally got my target up here. I wanted it to go up here, and it still could. Depends on how it handles this peak here. If this is not held, then we are going to go down to other peaks, which could be the 14, and it could be these 2 white ones here. And it also could be this one as well. We're going to have to wait and see. It's consolidating right now. We're just going to have to wait and see what the market gives us. So those are my peaks, my dear. I'm going to pass it on to you for oil and gold.
Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. So moving over, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at gold. So gold, we are in a downward move. I do anticipate maybe some support to pull us up to our next levels of resistance, 1797 to about 1799. So looking out for some levels, 1787.7 to about 1784.6. Those are our first areas of support that we're looking out for. Below that level is going to be 1778.3. You can see we had a nice V bottom from that area, and then just kind of bounce from there for a continuation. So we'll see if we get to the upside of 97 to about 99. That's my anticipated movement on gold. Moving over into crude oil, we got up into our levels of resistance on crude oil. I'm going to see how we retest 68, 69. This can be a little bit of an area of resistance. So we do want to see this price reject that and then try to come back down. Now, this is a key level that may hold support, 67.74. So keep an eye out for that. That could be where you bounce and find that support. But if you just crack that level, it's probably going to end up trying to flush out these next levels down below 67.36, 67.16, and then below that 66.51. So keep that in mind if we continue to make these lower highs, this could continue to pull down as long as we stay below 68.69. Get back above 68.69, then you could see some more upside from there. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, thank you guys for tuning in with us here on our live stream. If you guys do like these videos, please go and smash that like button. If you guys are going to continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. For those who are in the room with us, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.